What if one of the most powerful healing plants in the world has been sitting quietly in homes for centuries, yet most people still don't understand what it truly does inside the body? Aloe vera is often dismissed as just a skin-soothing gel, but that's only scratching the surface. Inside this thick green plant is a powerful mix of vitamins, enzymes, antioxidants, and compounds that support digestion, calm inflammation, strengthen immunity, and help the body heal from the inside out. What's even more surprising is that many people use aloe vera incorrectly, which means they miss out on the benefits that actually matter most. In this video, you'll learn what happens inside your body when aloe vera is used properly, the science-backed health benefits that make it so powerful, and how to use it safely to get results without unwanted side effects. Let's start with what aloe vera does the moment it enters your system. Benefit number 1. Supports digestive health. One of the most well-known internal benefits of aloe vera is its ability to support digestion. Aloe vera contains natural enzymes that help break down sugars and fats, making it easier for your digestive system to do its job. It also helps soothe the lining of the stomach and intestines, which can be especially helpful for people dealing with bloating, indigestion, or irregular digestion. When digestion improves, nutrient absorption improves too, meaning your body gets more value from the foods you already eat. Benefit number 2. Helps reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to joint pain, fatigue, gut issues, and even long-term disease. Aloe vera contains plant compounds that help calm inflammation at a cellular level. Instead of masking symptoms, it works by helping the body restore balance naturally. This is one reason aloe vera has been used for centuries in traditional healing systems to support overall wellness and recovery. Benefit number 3. Supports immune function. Your immune system relies on nutrients and antioxidants to function properly, and aloe vera delivers both. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, along with polysaccharides that help activate immune cells. These compounds support the body's ability to defend itself while also reducing oxidative stress that weakens immunity over time. A stronger immune system means fewer setbacks and better overall resilience. Benefit number 4. Promotes gut balance and detox support. Healthy gut plays a major role in energy levels, mood, and overall health. Aloe vera helps support beneficial gut bacteria while gently assisting the body's natural detox processes. It supports regular bowel movements without acting like a harsh laxative, which makes it different from many over-the-counter digestive products. When the gut is balanced, the entire body benefits. Benefit number 5. Supports heart health. Aloe vera has been shown to help support healthy cholesterol levels and circulation. Its antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in blood vessels, while its anti-inflammatory properties support smoother blood flow. Over time, this can contribute to better cardiovascular function and overall heart health. Small daily habits like this can make a meaningful difference long-term. Benefit number 6. Helps regulate blood sugar. Several studies suggest aloe vera may help support balanced blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This is especially important for people looking to maintain steady energy levels and reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. While aloe vera is not a replacement for medical treatment, it can be a helpful addition to a healthy lifestyle when used correctly. Benefit number 7. Number 7. improves skin from the inside out. Aloe vera doesn't just help skin when applied topically. It also supports skin health internally. Its hydration-supporting compounds, antioxidants, and vitamins help nourish the skin from within, promoting elasticity and a healthier appearance over time. When the body is hydrated and inflammation is reduced, skin naturally reflects that balance. Benefit number 8. Supports natural energy levels. Unlike caffeine-based energy boosters, aloe vera supports energy by improving digestion, nutrient absorption, and hydration. When your body efficiently processes nutrients and reduces inflammation, fatigue decreases naturally, and energy becomes more stable throughout the day. How to use aloe vera safely. Not all aloe products are created equal, and using it the wrong way can cause discomfort. If using aloe vera juice, choose products labeled in a leaf or decolorized, which removes compounds that may irritate the digestive system. Start with a small amount, about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, and see how your body responds before increasing. If you're using fresh aloe, always remove the yellow latex layer under the skin, as this part can cause cramping or digestive upset. Aloe vera is more than a skin remedy. It's a powerful plant that supports digestion, immunity, inflammation balance, and overall wellness when used properly. Like any natural remedy, consistency and correct use matter more than quantity. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up so more people can learn the real benefits of aloe vera. Let me know in the comments, have you used aloe vera before, and how do you use it? And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, natural health insights you can actually use in daily life.